Hi, I'm Craig Ishii, B2B Product Marketing with Logitech. One of the trends that we've been seeing in the modern office is this right here, the glass wall. It's beautiful in design, but what happens to our camera framing during meetings when someone is standing just outside of the wall? And so today we are excited to announce a brand new camera settings feature called Camera Zone. Now, Logitech cameras use an AI technology that we call Right Sight 2. And what's special about Right Sight 2 is that it's just as good as the human eye. It not only has the ability to detect faces and bodies in the room, but the placement and distance of those faces and bodies. And so today we're going to take a look at how this technology and this feature work together to give us less distractions and better framing. Let's take a look. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit of a double record here to show you how this works. First, I'm going to make sure that I'm in my Logitech system settings. I'm going to select Camera. And within Right Sight 2, I'm going to make sure that Right Sight 2 is toggled on. I'm going to make sure that Camera Zone is toggled on. And then there's a button here that's called Zone Size that I'm now going to click. And now, as you can see, I'm taken to Camera Zone. You can see we've got the toggles here on the tap that match the toggles that are on the television screen. The individuals that are in green boxes are going to be framed within the camera zone. But as I make adjustments here to camera zone, you can see that now those individuals that were originally green are now red boxes, meaning that the rally bar here will no longer put them in frame. And so we're going to click Confirm. We're going to go into a meeting, and I'll show you the result. Okay, so you can see we've got individuals standing outside of the glass wall, but the camera now is only framing me. That's Camera Zone. Welcome to the new logic of work.